Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing so great. So today I'm preparing this alright plantain and yam fufu. On the table you can see my cut yam and then my alright plantain. I've already peeled the plantain, washed the yam, and it is well cubed. So what we are going to do now is to put in the blender and then blend. So this is the alright plantain. I have to cube it so your blender blade can spin. I'm going to be blending this twice, but if you have a bigger or a stronger blender, you can blend everything at once. Some people do like to add the back of their plantain, but I don't really like it that way, so I just took out the skin. So I'll add some water. So guys, see what we have here. You can see how silky this is. This is what we want. So I'll turn it into my pot now. Then I'll blend the other one. So guys, this is the second batch that I just finished blending. So we'll go over to the gas cooker and let us cook. So guys, this is what we have. You just put it on your stove top and keep stirring. Even when it feels like it's forming lumps, don't just get scared. Keep stirring until it is smooth. And for this, you can use any swallow of your choice. It's so yummy. You can see some lumps. I said don't be scared, just keep stirring. So my people, you can see what we have here. I told you don't be scared when it's forming the lump, that it will be smooth, and you can see how smooth this is now. So now I'll add in some water, cover the pot and let it cook some more. You have to allow it to be a bit soft, because when it gets thick, it's very strong. So allow it to be a bit soft when you are making this. So now I'll add some water, cover the pot and let it cook. So guys, this is what we have here. So I'll keep stirring very well until all the water incorporates into the fufu. You can see how smooth and silky this is. Enjoy with any soup of your choice. So guys, I'll turn off the heat now and wrap in my cling film or in my cellophane and let it cool for it to form very well. So guys, see what we have here. I'll just continue wrapping until I'm done. So guys, you can see from that quantity of yam and plantain, I have 3 wraps of alright plantain and yam fufu. You can see how beautiful they are. They are so amazing. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, follow me on all social media platforms. Keep liking and keep sharing. This will go with a good egusi, that is Yomish's egusi soup. So guys, join me as we take our unripe plantain and yam fufu. Wow, this is so amazing. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.